This is the Black Widow Military Edition by SCA Performance, custom military matte paint with power running boards, and this color is tan. Comes with the Black Widow custom logo on the outside of the truck. If you come to the back of the truck, you have the standard Chevrolet logo. Click it once, and the tailgate comes down. It's a standard bed in the back, and it also has the outlet. If you open the doors, the steps come down. This is the driver's side. Up on the dash, you have the custom Black Widow logo. This is an 8-inch touchscreen. It has all your regular setups. It has OnStar, climate controls, so you could adjust to your liking. It has a backup camera, and there's a bunch of different features. Tractor, and then zoom into the floor. That's the regular view. If you go back, you have your audio, you have Sirius XM, FM, and AM. Okay, now if you come to the passenger side, on the door you see that it still has the matte tan, and also so does the interior. You have the dual glove compartments. And one of the best parts about the truck is that it has the stitching Black Widow right on the headrest. If we come down to the tires, it has the custom Black Widow right in the middle, and these are Wicked tires. You also come to the front of the truck with the recovery hooks and the tan bow tie. Some other features, it comes with power door locks, power sunroof, brake assist, rear vision cameras, heated mirrors, keyless entry. These two trucks are also the special military edition. We only have 2 in stock right now, so first come, first serve.